Hello friends, welcome to Nalini Ki Rasoi. Today I am going to make very popular cocktail snack. The name of the recipe is Kolivada fish. Please don't forget to click the subscribe and bell icon button so that you get instant notification of all my upcoming and new recipes. So let's get started and look at the ingredients first. Approximately 250 grams of Indian salmon seasoned with little salt and turmeric, 2 tablespoons of yogurt, 2.5 tablespoons of gram flour, 1.5 teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1.5 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon of chaat masala, half teaspoon of garam masala, 1/4 teaspoon of carom seeds, 1 lemon, salt to taste and oil. First we'll take a fish in a bowl and squeeze a lemon on it. Now we'll put salt, turmeric powder, carom seed, ginger garlic paste, chaat masala, garam masala, red chili powder, yogurt and gram flour and mix well. Fish is marinated and ready to fry. We'll fry till golden brown and crispy. Fish is fried and ready. Now we'll remove it. Similarly, we will fry all the pieces. All pieces are fried and ready. Now we'll sprinkle chaat masala on it. Piping hot, yummy, delicious Kolivada fish is ready to serve. I hope you like this recipe, and if you have not already subscribed, don't forget to click the subscribe button on this side, like it and share it. The link of my other recipes are displayed on this side for you to click and see. I'll be back soon with many more new interesting, tasty. Thank you for watching Nalini Ki Rasoi.